I worked for a company for 14 years and unfortunately we got made redundant and they closed, so we sort of saw it as an opportunity to buy their plant and equipment and start out Graft. Yeah. Very short story of how we got this far along.
The immediate word that came to mind was family.
Bringing family together.
Yeah. Everything, like whether it's our team working together or whether we're working with clients, having that real close relationship.
It's been an interesting experience and not one that I thought at the time would be as difficult as what it was, but in saying that, it probably could have been a whole lot more difficult because we had joined with you guys just sort of previous to that. So being able to talk with Nigel and yourselves and kind of have some conversations in relation to the workshop and everything, So the workshop here is much more flow to it than the previous workshop.
We felt like we had the beginnings of a great business, but we needed someone to push us across a few. Manufacturing was a big thing. Felt like we were wasting a lot of time rebuilding things and maybe not having systems in place that could make it run way more efficiently. Yeah. We knew there were areas in every facet of the business that could do with a tweak. Really felt like you guys had the experience of knowing all of that, so why would we try and muddle through it ourselves when we can work with someone? Probably the biggest thing would be actually what they've done in the factory. Just little tweaks, like even building the drawers first.
Oh yes.
That has...
Yeah, just the procedures.
I think when the first time
questioning why, just because we've done something a certain way forever, doesn't mean it. You have to forever keep doing it that way. Yeah. Changing it up and getting effectively more flow and productivity. Well, firstly, I suppose you're not really told what to do. You're given some suggestions, and it's up to you to implement them. It's up to you to take bits, even if you don't want to take the whole lot, that you feel might work with your business model. The biggest thing is the strength or the depth within the coaches. That covers the whole, I suppose, joinery industry. Well, firstly, I'd say, the future looks a lot more positive.
It doesn't feel as heavy, maybe?
Yeah. That's good way of describing it.
We can scale if we want to. Once we get the systems all sorted out, we can scale up and down. Yeah. We can scale ourselves out. We can have a holiday. We can not worry about things as much, because it is stressful running a business, especially when you don't have systems in place.
We might be at the early stages of some of those systems, but we can already see the benefits that they'll have. It's super encouraging to kind of motivates you to want to get them done.